Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back, Epic Travel Adventures. Remember when we used to just grab our passports and go? Well, it's 2025 and travel has changed quite a bit. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into how to travel safely in 2025. Tips and tricks. Stick around, because this could be the most important travel advice you'll hear this year. Let's start with the basics. Planning your trip. In 2025, it's not just about where you want to go, but when and how. First up, check the Global Travel Advisory System. This AI-powered platform gives real-time updates on safety, health, and environmental conditions worldwide. Make sure your destination is in the green or yellow zone before booking. Next, let's talk about documentation. Your digital passport is now your best friend. Keep it updated with your latest biometric data and vaccination records. Don't forget to sync it with the International Health Verification app. This app stores your medical history and current health status. It's required for entry in most countries now. Packing has evolved too. Smart luggage is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. These bags come with built-in trackers, solar-powered chargers, and even air quality sensors. Pack your nanofiber clothing. It's lightweight, self-cleaning, and adapts to various weather conditions. Remember to include a personal air purifier in your carry-on. It's small, but it makes a big difference in crowded spaces. Now, let's talk about transportation. Hyperloop networks have expanded, connecting major cities worldwide. They're fast, efficient, and eco-friendly. But if you're taking a flight, opt for electric airlines when possible. They've become more common and offer a smoother, quieter journey. Upon arrival, use the Global Traveler app to navigate your destination. It provides real-time translation, augmented reality city guides, and safety alerts. The app also connects you to a network of verified local guides and accommodations. Speaking of accommodations, smart hotels are the new norm. These hotels use AI to personalize your stay from room temperature to meal preferences. They also have advanced sanitization systems, giving you peace of mind. Let's discuss an important topic: health and safety. Always carry a compact med kit with nano bandages and universal antidotes. These high-tech medical supplies can handle most minor emergencies. Don't forget to activate your travel insurance's DNA tracking feature. In case of an emergency, rescue teams can locate you quickly and accurately. Now, let's talk about money. Digital currencies have largely replaced cash in most countries. Make sure your crypto wallet is loaded and secure before you leave. Always have a backup payment method, like a universal credit chip implant. Staying connected is easier than ever in 2025. Global Wi-Fi is available in most urban areas. But for remote locations, rent a portable quantum internet device. It ensures you're always connected no matter where you are. Let's not forget about cultural experiences. Use the Cultural Immersion VR app before your trip. It lets you practice local customs and etiquette in a virtual environment. This helps you avoid cultural faux pas and enriches your travel experience. Ecotourism is more important than ever in 2025. Choose carbon-negative accommodations and activities. These options actually help remove carbon from the atmosphere. Many destinations now offer Restore as you explore programs. You can contribute to local environmental projects during your visit. Foodie. You'll love the Food Safety Scan app. It uses your phone's camera to analyze meals for allergens and nutritional content. It also suggests local dishes based on your dietary preferences and restrictions. For those unexpected moments, there's the Global Citizen Helpline. This 24/7 service provides instant access to legal advice, medical consultation, and emergency assistance in any country. Lastly, don't forget to document your travels responsibly. Use privacy-respecting cameras that automatically blur faces of people who haven't consented to be photographed. Share your experiences on ethical social media platforms that prioritize user privacy and factual information. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to safe and smart travel in 2025. Remember, the world is still out there, waiting to be explored. These tips and tricks will help you navigate the new normal of travel with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe for more future forward travel advice. Have a safe journey, and we'll see you in the next video.